Global Industrial and Defence Solutions Gids has announced its latest unmanned combat aerial vehicle, formidable Shahpar III. This Group 4+ medium-altitude, long-endurance unmanned combat aerial vehicle represents a significant leap forward in Pakistan's indigenous drone capabilities and is set to be unveiled at the upcoming Ideas 2024 Defense Exhibition in November. The Shahpar III boasts greatly enhanced endurance, operational ceiling, and weapons carriage capacity compared to previous Gids models. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 1,650 kilograms and is equipped with 6 wing hardpoints, capable of carrying up to 400 to 530 kilograms of munition. In an armed configuration, the drone offers 20 hours of endurance and can reach a service ceiling of 35,000 feet. Its range extends up to 3,000 kilometers using satellite communication beyond line-of-sight capabilities. The Shahpar III offers 2 engine configurations, providing flexibility to meet different mission requirements. First configuration features a 140 horsepower engine, which allows the drone to reach a maximum ceiling of 28,000 feet when armed, or 30,000 feet for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. In this configuration, the drone can achieve an endurance of 17 hours while armed and up to 24 hours during intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance operation. The range extends to 300 kilometers within line of sight and up to 3,000 kilometers when operating beyond line of sight. The second configuration is equipped with a more powerful 170 horsepower engine. This setup enables the Shahpar III to reach a maximum ceiling of 35,000 feet when armed, 41,000 feet for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance mission. With this engine, the drone can sustain operations for 20 hours while armed and up to 40 hours during intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. The range remains the same, offering 300 kilometers within line of sight and extending to 3,000 kilometers beyond line of sight. The Shahpar III integrates indigenously developed avionics systems, an anti-icing or de-icing system, and a dual redundant flight control computer architecture. It also includes provisions for an internal pilot option. In addition to its potent armed capability, the unmanned combat aerial vehicle can be equipped with multiple payloads, including electro-optical infrared, synthetic aperture radar, communications intelligence, and electronic intelligence sensors for enhanced intelligence gathering. With its outstanding range, endurance, weapons capacity, and sensor suite, the Shahpar III significantly bolsters Pakistan's medium-altitude, long-endurance unmanned combat aerial vehicle forces. Its line-of-sight range is 300 kilometers, extendable to 3,000 kilometers via satellite communication data link. The 64-foot wingspan Shahpar III represents a major force multiplier for Pakistani defense. Gids has positioned this indigenous Group 4+ platform as a powerful and cost-effective solution compared to foreign medium-altitude, long-endurance, unmanned combat aerial vehicles. Pakistan continues pressing forward with its goal of achieving self-sufficiency in unmanned aerial technologies, vital to modern security operations. The Shahpar III is set to make its debut at the upcoming Ideas 2024 Defense Exhibition in November. That's it from my side. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.